Welcome to Supercars TV 99. Imagine a masterpiece of automotive art, not merely driven, but experienced. A vehicle that doesn't just transport you, but announces your arrival before you've even opened the door. This is the 2026 Mansory Rolls-Royce, a collaboration that takes the pinnacle of British luxury and injects it with a distinctly audacious, German-tuned charisma. If you've ever wondered what happens when understated elegance meets unapologetic extravagance, stay with me until the end, because we're about to dissect every inch of this four-wheeled titan, from its commanding front fascia to the very last detail of its bespoke interior. And when you're done, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into automotive excellence, and drop a comment below. I want to know if this is too bold, or just bold enough for your dream garage. Let's start at the very beginning, with a front end that redefines the term road presence. The signature Pantheon grille, usually a symbol of restrained grandeur, has been reimagined by Mansory with a new, more aggressive lattice work, often finished in exposed carbon fiber or a high-gloss black. It sits lower and wider, flanked by massive, intricately designed air intakes that aren't just for show. They feed air to the monstrous engine lurking beneath that elongated hood. The headlights, perhaps with Mansory's signature daytime running lights, cut a sharp, technological glare, giving the spirit of ecstasy a slightly more menacing flight path. This isn't just a luxury car, it's a statement of intent. Moving to the side profile, the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The iconic coach lines and the perfect proportions of a Rolls-Royce remain, but Mansory has sculpted the flanks with a new set of wide-body fender flares. These additions are crafted from ultra-light, forged carbon fiber, seamlessly integrated to accommodate a set of colossal, multi-spoke forged wheels that fill the arches to perfection. A subtle side skirt bridges the gap between the front and rear, lowering the visual center of gravity. The signature rear-hinged coach doors remain, but as you approach, you might notice carbon fiber mirror caps and B-pillar applique tilde copyright S. Small touches that collectively scream bespoke craftsmanship. You can practically feel the air parting around its aggressive, yet graceful, silhouette. As you swing that massive door open, the interior is a sanctuary that borders on the surreal. Mansory takes the whisper quiet, lamb's wool-lined cabin and turns the volume up to 11 on luxury. Imagine a symphony of the finest leathers, quilted in unique Mansory patterns, contrasted against exposed carbon fiber inserts on the dashboard and center console. The famous Starlight headliner is still there, but Mansory might add their own constellation of lights, perhaps matching the interior stitching. The steering wheel is retrimmed, the aluminium pedals are bespoke, and every single surface you touch, from the armrests to the rear picnic table, has been re-upholstered or refinished. It's a space that cocoons you in opulence, yet the carbon fiber elements hint at the beast that waits for your command. Around the back, the Mansory treatment continues with a redesigned rear bumper that incorporates a subtle diffuser, hinting at the aerodynamics at play. The exhaust tips, likely finished in titanium or carbon, are integrated into this design, promising a V12 symphony that is both refined and, under hard acceleration, gloriously thunderous. The trunk lid might feature a small carbon lip spoiler, adding a touch of sportiness without disturbing the classic lines. It's a rear end that commands respect, a perfect blend of British dignity and Mansory's flair for the dramatic. Now, for the mechanical heart. While Rolls-Royce's 6.75-litre twin-turbo V12 is a masterpiece of smoothness, Mansory often coaxes significantly more power from it. We're talking horsepower figures that can push well beyond 600, propelling this substantial luxury liner from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a time that would embarrass many sports cars. The mileage, in a car like this, it's almost a secondary thought, but you can expect around 12 mpg in the city if you're gentle, though the sheer temptation of that V12 will likely make that figure a theoretical number. And the price for all this exclusivity? It starts where a standard Rolls-Royce leaves off, often well into the seven-figure realm, depending on the level of customization. The 2026 Mansory Rolls-Royce is more than a car, it's a collector's piece for those who refuse to blend in. So, now that you've seen what automotive excess looks like, don't keep this masterpiece to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more first looks, and tell me in the comments, if money were no object, is this the Rolls-Royce you choose?